Are you looking for a completely free video editing app with no watermark and powerful features like CapCut? Meet VN Video Editor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit videos like a pro using VN. And guess what? It's completely free. 100% free. But before we dive in, let me introduce myself. My name is Soundsboy. I help content creators, YouTubers, and video editors level up their editing skills using mobile apps like CapCut and VN. So if you are looking to improve your video editing game, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification. Now let's get started. First of all, we're going to install the VN Video Editor on our phone. So let's go to, if you're using Android phone, you go to your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, we are going to be using App Store. So let's search for VN Video Editor. As you can see, I already have the VN Video Editor on my phone. That is why it's showing open here. So all I have to do is to click on open. So it's taking us direct to VN. What you have to do is to click on this plus button. Then you click on new project. Once you click on new project, it will take you directly to your phone, like your gallery. So let me use this video as an example. Alright, this is a video they sent to me to edit. So let me just use this video as a preview. Alright, as you can see, this is how the timeline is. This is how the timeline look like. I don't know if you can see what I'm showing you right now yet. So this is where you can add your music, add your subtitle, add stickers, add overlay. I don't know if you understand what I mean by overlay. So let's assume I want to cut this particular video at this place. So what I'll do is that once I've gone to the place I want to split it, I'll click on split. If I don't need this first part, I can just click on delete. See, it's gone. Let's assume I want to add transition at this particular part. So what I have to do is just click on split. Or if it's in between two clips, I can still do the same thing. But once I've clicked on split, you can see this plus button here. As you can see, there are a lot of transition here that you can use. We have the black, we have the white, we have the zoom 1, zoom 2, dissolve. A lot of them you can use them for free, completely free. Let's use this white transition, and there are a lot of advanced one here that you can still use that are all free. They are all free, no payments. So we are done with adding transition to the video. If you want to trim your clip, this is where to trim your clip. 1 second, 2.5 seconds. Just play around with it. The adjustment and filter, just click on this filter here. You choose. There are a lot of filters here to make your video stand out. I kind of love this one, but let's add our adjustments first. Let's say we want to add the brightness, the contrast, bring it up a bit, the saturation, vibrance. As you can see, they are all free, completely free. No premium packages here. Can change the temperature, can sharpen the video a bit, can reduce the highlights, the shadow too, and also do noise reduction completely free. See. This is where to add speed if you want to, edit the speed of your video. So let's add music. Let's add music to this clip now. So you just click on this plus here, click on music. So the only option we have here now is to extract from a video. You understand? Since my iTunes is not connected, so just click on extract from a video. Let's say I want to extract sound from this video. Click on this video here. Click on check mark. So we have added our music here. You can decide to mute our clip. If you want to mute the whole video we added, just mute it so I can listen to the song we added. Let's get it. So we can listen to the song we added.
It's fun to stay in the wild.
So if you want to add text to your video, you just click on this plus sign here. Click on text. Let's say I want to add the artist name. So the artist name is Focus. Let's say I want to add this name. So you can see You can explore, you can change the font, you can change the style, the text style, the size, you can change the color, different styles here. You can change it, you can make it bold, a lot of things you can do. If you want to add intro effects, you can just click on this effects, then you choose. There are a lot of things you can do with this VN video editor for free. Add zoom in. There are a lot of things you can do for free without paying a dime. You can also add auto caption to your video for free without paying a dime. I'll be creating more tutorials on this VN video editor. We just downloaded it to explore it for the first time. That is how to edit amazing videos for free with VN video editor. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more free video editing tips. Let me know in the comment section what tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.